Da da da. Oh my god. कैसे वो भी चला के आया राउंड 20 ऐसा hello come on oh was he asleep look who it is
That's all I know.
oh my god I can't believe you're here I can't believe
We've been going up and down this road for ages. Just here.
I told you where the Pepsi board is.
My children are here.
You crying?
Each other here after long. Assalamualaikum. How are you, Jenny?
I can't believe it. Is that I can't believe we're in Pakistan. I know. Just sit inside, sir. Come sit inside. Come sit inside.
Go and sit in the lounge. Oh, take your shoes off. Sit relaxedly.
Take your shoes off here. Look at. Take your shoes off. Don't speak shit. Okay. Take your shoes off. No, wait.
No, I haven't even got any makeup on. Seriously, you're taking the make.
So what? I haven't got any on.
Okay.
Go on.
Hi guys, welcome to Humaira's Huma Beauty and Style
No,
channel.
you got it wrong. It's for my style beauty.
Hi guys, welcome to Huma Style and Beauty. This is Humaira's channel and I'm currently at Humaira's house. I have no makeup on and I look like a tramp. So she's doing this by purpose. But who cares? Cheers.
What are you having coke?
Saira, did you send that photo to your mom?
No, I haven't sent anything yet, Uncle.
Oh, light day.
So basically,
in the morning.
this is the food that we've been eating.
No, you've been eating a lot more than that.
Yeah, but then we hide it. So we have a little bit and then we hide it. So nobody can see it. Humaira's been feeding me on her 24 carat set. 24 carat. And yeah, that's about it really. So we're off to the local market, which is why we're dressed down. This evening we're going to be dressed up and hopefully Humaira might take a photo of me then. So yeah, hopefully we'll look a bit better then. But we're having a great time so far.
Okay. I forgot what we've been. Where are we off to?
We're off to Satellite Town in Gujranwala. We're gonna buy some local stuff, some local shoes and some local jewellery, and I'm gonna buy my mom, shout out to Zed in Kuwait massive. I'm gonna buy my mom some shoes that she's asked for, so I'm gonna go and that's it. Let's see what we can find.
Alright, cool.
Bye.
I'm taking a video just to update you, or like I look like, I don't know if you can tell, a zombie or worse than a zombie, because like MS did its work in it, Sarah.
Yeah, and it had to happen when I was coming, obviously. You know.
Yeah, I've been trying to like recover, but I keep sleeping and waking up, and still like my legs are like wobbly, and still like.
Good job on his cheer up though, isn't it?
Definitely, it definitely does help, and when you're in good company, it definitely cheers you up. So if you've got MS, it's the environment you're around that makes a big difference. That's definitely for sure. And if it wasn't for Sarah, I wouldn't be going out. So at the moment, I'm just like,
our masks are ready.
What masks? I'm not even wearing. Oh.
Yeah, no, we have to.
We have
I'm
to wear.
COVID free. Thank God. Praise the Lord.
Yeah, she's coughing, but she's COVID free.
I've got an allergy against the dust here. Yeah.
Mom, what's my channel's name?
What's your channel's name?
Don't tell Mom. Mom, my channel ka naam kya hai?
Oh my God, everything.
She gets it wrong every time.
style beauty.
Yeah, Mom got it right for the first time. And what do we do? What do we do?
Like
And
subscribe. Please.
what do we do, Sarah?
We like, share and subscribe.
Yes.
And tick the bell icon.
What do we do, Shred Boy?
Just click on the button, bell icon button, and like and subscribe, please.
Thank you. What do we do, Abu?
Take a bow and subscribe.
Take a book.
Honestly. Okay, so I hope to take you with us on this mini market tour, and let's see what we get and what we bump into. Bye. It's bullshitting, man. It's not 4:30.
Yeah, I know. Big fat bullshit.
Which ones do you like?
ये जो मल्टी में झुमके हैं ये दिखाओ.
ये वाले.
There's other shops as well. Put it against you. Yeah, they look nice. ये वाले कितने के हैं भाई?
850 के हैं ये वाले.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? झुमके भी कभी 850 के होते हैं. मोती के असली थोड़ी है.
1500 रुपए के झुमके रखे हैं.
नहीं मोती भी इनके असली नहीं है, ऐसी बात नहीं है. पहले भी आपसे हमने लिया है, इतने महंगे तो नहीं थे.
बड़ी सीजन के ऑफर के बड़े साइज
नहीं सीजन के ऑफर के नहीं है. अगर आपने सही कीमत बतानी तो बताई, नहीं तो हम दूसरी दुकान पे चले जाते हैं. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़े.
मैं सुबह से लेकर रात तक सही बता रहा हूँ रेट.
मर्जी आपकी है.
मर्जी आपकी है बाजी.
चलो
आपने कौन सा लेना है?
हमने लेना है, ये लेना है, ये लेना है और ये मल्टी कलर वाले दिखाओगे? हाँ ये देखिए.
What, these ones? Just tell, like, look at the ones that you're 100% about.
ये कितने के हुए?
ये 450 के हैं.
450 के.
Sarah महंगे हैं मैंने.
I was thinking to buy these for Ashi.
पसंद मुझे भी है पर महंगे इतने हैं.
चलो आगे देखते हैं. हम
आगे देखते हैं भाई. महंगाई इतनी आपकी वजह से.
पीछे देना.
There you go, Sarah, your Golkape. My Golkape. Oh my god, like.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
So it's dark, so you probably won't be able to.
No, I'll put the flash on.
Watch him pour in the Shora in the bowl. He's gone down there somewhere. Sit there.
Yeah, that's one.
Amara. Yellow sugar.
Abu, please be careful.
Oh yeah. That's at me. Don't worry about her.
Yeah, you pass it here, innit? You like enjoy your. I can't believe this, Sarah.
Here we go, Uncle.
Watch the clothes, Sarah.
Shall I pour it in?
What, obviously you ain't got a choice.
What are you doing?
We shopped at Sapphire. We shopped at Styler. We shopped at
Are you having any balls?
In the middle
Huh?
here.
Are you having this?
No, thank you. Alhamdulillah. मैं अपने सलामत में वापस जाना चाहती हूँ.
Whoops.
Are they tasty?
They're alright. I think the pani could be a bit more cut down.
Also, this is not mineral water though.
Look.
Jay.
Are you sure you're okay holding it?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Shall I just carry on?
Yeah, you carry on, yeah. You finish that lot, I'll check it out.
You making video as well?
हाँ जी, आप भी खाएं.
It's खट्टा.
आपको खट्टे नहीं पसंद? मीठे वाले ले लेते हैं.
This is the whole fun of being in Pakistan. You got to have these kind of stuff.